Hello everyone, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. Today I'm here with the topic Scratch. So what is Scratch actually and how to open this Scratch? So in last video we have already learned how to install Scratch in our computer. Those who did not watch that video, please check in the description box. I have given the link to how to install Scratch in your computer. And after installing, I told you that once you install the Scratch application in your computer, you will find the icon, Scratch icon on your desktop like this. So to open Scratch, you need to just double click on it. Once you open it, the Scratch window will be open. And what is Scratch? Scratch is one of the easiest programming language and it's very important and easy to understand. And you can use it to create games, animated stories and projects with great ease. So this is the Scratch window looks like this. And what are the different components of Scratch? So there are different components of Scratch and what are they? So let me show you what are the different components of Scratch. So this is the Scratch window and the first one, when you open Scratch, you will find the title bar here. Title bar, and then you have the menu bar where you can see file edit, and then you have here block panel. So here these are the blocks panel. And what are those blocks panel? In blocks panel you can see here you have different motion, the different blocks like motion block, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables and my block. So these are the different blocks. And in each block if you'll see there are different scripts. So if you see here in motion block you have different motion scripts here. When you click on looks block you will find different looks scripts. And what are these scripts? These are the commands, are the programs which you are going to use it to give some effects to the sprite. So these are the different blocks. Now same way, if you come back, I will show you here. Yes, so here these are the different blocks. And then blocks palette. What do you mean by blocks palette? Just now I explained you. For each block you have different scripts. So that is called block palette. And this area, the gray color area, this is called script area. So this is the place where you are going to place all these commands to give some animation. So this is called script area. Now at the right side, you will find default one cat. So this cat is called Sprite. This is called Sprite. So what is this Sprite actually? So Sprite is a small graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. And Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. So this is the default sprite in Scratch. So you can even change the sprites, different sprites you can use here by clicking on this new sprite option. So this is called sprite. And here this is called stage. This is called stage. It is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions. So this stage is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions as per the given instructions. And then you have the blocks palette. Already I have explained you block palette. And then script, which already I have explained you what is this script. A script is a collection of step-by-step wise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. So what is script? Script is the command. So these scripts we use to sprite to perform the specific task. And script area is the place where we insert the script to perform the particular task. So this is about the Scratch components. And if you want to add new sprite, you have to click on this new sprite option. And here if you want to change the backdrops, you can click on backdrop option. So these are the different components of Scratch window. And now I will just show you one simple animation of Scratch. So here I'm going to show you one simple animation of this sprite will move in the forward direction, and after going to the edge it will again turn and it will come back. So this is what we are going to do now. So how will you do that? So as you all know that this is called stage, where the position of the sprite is here, and this is called script area and this is the place where we need to drag the script. So to move this sprite in the forward direction, and after going to the edge, it should turn back and it should walk back. So for that, first what we have to do, we have to take in motion block, we have the script called move 10 steps. So that we have to drag and keep it in the script area. So here the sprite has to move 10 steps, and then what it has to do, after moving to the edge, it has to turn back. So for that, what you have to do, in the same block, that is motion block, we have the script called set rotation style. So this we need to drag. So after moving to the forward direction 10 steps, once it goes to the edge, it has to turn back from left to right, and here you have the option also, don't rotate and all around. That option is also there. So we are taking the option left to right, and then what we have to do, it has to move in the forward direction, and again it has to turn back and it has to walk back continuously. So for that, we have to give the script, that is in control block. In control block, we have the option called forever. So we have to give the option called forever, script forever. So you have to place it here, forever. Move 10 steps. It should come inside the forever script. So this is the loop. So forever, it has to move forever 10 steps, and then it has to turn back, and then again it has to walk back. So after this, we have to give the option called when flag is clicked. So why do we need to give this when flag is clicked? Once you click on this flag here, when you click on this flag icon, it will start playing the animation. So for that, we need to give this here when flag is clicked. So where will you find that script? It is in events. In events block, you have the script called when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, what it has to do? It has to move 10 steps, and after going to the edge, it has to turn. So you can see here, with once it goes to the edge, it is turning, but it is not coming back. So what is the reason? For that, we need to give another script. And what is that script? Again, in motion block, we have the script if on edge bounce. So this script we have to give. So once you insert this script, you can see here it is moving, walking in the forward direction, taking a turn and coming back again. So this is the way you have to give the simple animation. And if you want to see this animation in full screen, that is presentation mode, you have to click here, this icon. You can see here full screen control. If you click on this, you can see your animation is playing continuously. So why do we need to give the script called forever? So that every time you don't need to click the mouse button to move this script again and again. Just if you give forever, it will continuously run. The program will run continuously. So that is the reason we have given here this forever script, forever loop. I hope it's clear, my dear students. So next video, I will show you many more options in this Scratch. So for that, you all have to subscribe my channel, like my video, don't miss to watch my videos, and please share my videos. Thank you so much.